You'll need HDZero goggles, HD expansion port version 2 with Wi-Fi. I have a 3D printed cover on mine here. And you'll need an iPhone or an iPad with iOS 17 or later. Power on the goggles. They'll start their own Wi-Fi network. Go to settings, then Wi-Fi. And the default name for the Wi-Fi network is HDZero. The default password is DiviMath. So once we're connected, we want to go in the goggles. In the Wi-Fi module menu, at the very bottom, you'll see an IP address number. You'll need this number in a few moments. Now we'll go ahead and open up the FPV Mate Viewer app. If you don't have this, you can search the App Store for it. This app is not allowed to be used in war zones. You'll have to allow it to see your location. Now we'll go to Edit Connection. And this is where we'll put in the IP address that we saw in the goggles earlier. Mine's just using the default, so I don't need to change anything. If you select Auto Connect on Start, this will automatically try and connect to the goggles once the app is started. I'm going to leave that off for now and click Save. Now that we have our connection set up, we can click Connect to connect to the goggles. And now you'll see we're seeing the menu of the goggles right now. I'm not flying a drone, but so this is the internal menu of the HDZero goggles. We're connected successfully. You'll see if I touch the screens here, we'll have two buttons show up on the screen. The back button goes back to the main menu. Here we have a stream settings connection. You'll see it disappears after a short while. If you want it to stay on the screen, we can hit the pin, and this will keep the settings menu up. Up here we have some network stream settings that we can configure if we're having trouble with network issues. Over here we have a network graph of dropped frames. This is really good. We have 0 dropped frames right now, so nothing's really showing up. And we have logs to see the connection log. To close this, we can hit the X or just tap off of it. Okay, now we'll connect a drone just to show an example of what it looks like through the drone's view.